Hey, what's up everyone? This is the video for this CTX final filler. We're looking for top 4 spots. Each advance to the main. Top gets 5, second 3, third 2, and fourth 1. We are live. 850 list here. We have 11 entries. You got Bruno on the top and Karma on the bottom. 2 dice, 5 or higher. We got 12 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We got Bruno, Sheldon, Tom, and Ollie. We have to go 11. Good luck at 850. 850. Last and final roll. Top 4 spots advance. Congratulations goes to Ollie, Tom, Bruno, and Pete. Congratulations, you 4. Go ahead and pick your spots in the main in order you won. We are done at 850. 850. Congratulations, everyone. All you 4. Sorry, everyone else. Have a great evening. Take care.